Hello guys, it's Stevie here again. You'll get used to seeing my face soon enough. Today I have got this 2016 66 plate BMW Z4 convertible. Now this is the Z4 20i, so it's got a 2 litre turbo petrol engine. It's got 187 brake horsepower to be exact, and it has got so much style. It is in a very rare colour. I believe this is one of only 2 or 3 in the country available in Melbourne red. So the beauty of this Z4 Roadster is it's got a folding metal hard top. You can open it even before you get in the car, and it finishes from open to close in roughly about 18-19 seconds. This car sits so low to the ground. It's got such good handling. It's just got a lot of road presence to it. The paint job on this is phenomenal. Creature comforts included with this car. You have got your full leather interior here. You have got your professional navigation, so it's a big widescreen system you've actually got on this. You have got your 6-speed manual gearbox, and you've got your Bluetooth for your phone. It's got all the bits and bobs that you really need from a Roadster. It's a lovely bit of summer fun, this. As I was saying guys, this car has got different driving modes. It automatically defaults into comfort mode when you first start it up, but you've got also sport mode and sport plus. Sport plus actually turns off your driving aids such as your traction control. So I would advise, this being a rear wheel driven car, don't go any higher than sport mode. When you're driving a Z4, you really don't think of practicality. You drive this for the style, you drive it for you buy this sort of thing for the look of it. Now I love this BMW Z4, partly because it was actually bought and owned by my better half before he traded it in for something that had the rear seats. But if you're looking for a second car, or if you're looking just for something a wee bit different, something you do not see on the road every day, give us a shout. The normal number 01467 634 000. See you soon guys. You just want to drive this thing up. Think of the best road that you can ever think to drive on, and this is exactly the kind of road that